it's a nice thick yarn. So again, here's the tail. I always lay the tail over my fingers, bring it over 3. You could bring it over 2. I just bring it over 3. Insert your hook through that, what's around your fingers. Grab the yarn, bring it through. Now I switch from my thumb to what I'm holding. Get my yarn wrapped around my fingers. Keep holding it with this other one. Grab my yarn, bring it through, and pull tight. See, now I'm gonna make this circle here a little bit less, make this chain a little bit less. And if I'm gonna be starting a basket or something else that has a circle, start to it, I'm gonna chain 1, and then let's say I'm gonna do, well, let's do the double crochets just like we just did. So you have a lot more yarn here, but it's still the same concept. Again, I have a bigger size hook that I'm working with, so this makes it really nice and big and chunky. And this is my 3rd, 4th, and look I'm still holding my finger in that loop to keep the tension. That's the same exact steps, except it's a chunkier yarn, bigger yarn hook. No difference. And I think that's 6. Pull this tight, tighten it up, and again, never mind that first chain. Right here is my first double crochet, the top 2 loops, bring my yarn through. Oh, and then this got a little bit big on me. Here, let me adjust that. It got a little bit big because I was stretching too much here. Let's try that again so it looks a little bit nicer anyways for you. All right, there we go, that's better. And now I'm going to make that loop bigger anyway. So here is 2 magic circles with 6 double crochet worked inside. I did the same thing no matter if it was a little one or a big one. So I hope that this helps you complete the magic circle whenever you have to do it. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to subscribe and like and share my videos too. But thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day.